Hi guys, it's your girl Anureka. You're welcome to Anure's Feast. Yeah, welcome to Anure's Feast. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, coming to my YouTube channel, seeing my channel, please do well and subscribe. Do well and subscribe. Just hit that notification bell, give us a thumb up, like, share, comment. Thank you. Today I want to cook banga soup. But right now I'm going to do something at the office. I'll be going to the market very soon. Just come, I'll take you to the process of how I went to market, bought my things, went home, cook. Just stay tuned, you will enjoy it. All right, thank you, bye. Here I'm back, and this is my banga on fire. It's almost done, and here you can see I'm pounding it so I can sieve the new water that I need, the main stuff that I need. And here I've sieved it. This is how it looks like after sieving it here. And these are my ingredients: my fish, my UGO, my pepper, my onion, my ginger and garlic, my sieve. And you can see my banga is already on fire. Yeah, it's already boiling. Like leave it like 15 minutes or more so that the oil will come on top. And this is the protein of my choice. I'm using it so you can use it anyone you want. And here I've added all the ingredients. Here I've added everything. Cover it, let it boil for another like 10 minutes on a high heat. And here my leaf, here my UGO, and food is done. To keep this to go, it was really a stressful journey, all in the name of looking for content. Bye.